Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fun Learn with Anita. Today I'm going to share a quick tip on how to split text into different columns using the Convert Text to Columns wizard. In this video, I'm going to show you different examples on how you can separate information from text and segregate them into different columns. So without any further delay, let's learn the concept of delimiting the data for automatic data segregation. Now for taking example, here I have list of famous Indian actresses and you can see they are all listed in a single column. Now what I want is, in column A specifically, I just want serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In column B, I want the initial names, Priyanka, Deepika, Katrina. In column C, I want their last name, the family name, Chopra, Padukone, K. Ronath. Now our first step would be, select the data you want to delimit. In this case, you have to select column A because it includes all the name. Then we will go to data, go to text to columns in the ribbon, and a pop-up would appear. This is converting text to column wizard. In this, we're going to select delimited option. Click next. Now this gives an option to select the different delimiting characters to split the values in different columns. Now it can be semicolon, comma, space, other. Now other can be, if you have inserted a text that has pipes or that has hyphen, you can put that and you can delimit the text on basis of that. So I will show you how it's done. But for this example specifically, we have spaces between the text. So we will select space. And you can see a little preview of how the text would be separated into different columns. Click finish. Now here we can see the result. We can see in column A, it includes all the serial number. In column B, all the first name of the actresses. In column C, it includes all their last name, the family name. So this example shows you how you can separate the first and the last name in different columns using the space character as a delimiter. Now similarly, taking a different example, here in the text, I'm talking about different types of favorite fruits, different colors, and I want to delimit the text into columns. Now, in a way that after every comma mentioned, the new text should be in different columns. Now, similarly, I would select the text I want to delimit, go to data, text to columns, a pop-up would appear, I would select delimited, press next. Now in this specifically, I want to separate text on the basis of commas. So I would take the space out and put comma, and you can see a preview over here. Click finish. Now you can see that these texts have been delimited on the basis of comma character. Wherever there were commas before the text, these texts have been put into different columns. Now here I have an example that includes spaces, semicolons, comma all together in the given text. Now let's say I want to split the text into different columns on the basis of both comma as well as semicolons together. So obviously our first step would be select the column that includes the text. Now giving you the shortcut, press Alt A E on the keyboard and the wizard would pop up. Now press delimited, next. Now since we want to split the text on the basis of both semicolon as well as comma together, we're going to use semicolon as well as comma. And you can see the preview. Now the moment I take comma out, the text appears to be in the same column. But the moment I select comma, it divides into the different columns. Press finish. And you can see the text have been divided on the basis of semicolon as well as comma into different columns. Now let's say I have a text that include kind of separators such as pipes in this case, or it can be even hyphen or any other symbol. So to split the values into different columns, we're going to use the same method. So I'm going to select the cell, press Alt A E, the wizard would pop up, delimited next. Now instead of using semicolon or comma, I'm going to use other and I'm going to insert a pipe because in this case there are pipes and you can see the preview. So the names would be different, their professions would be different, their age would be different and their birth date would be in a different column, segregated differently. Press finish. And when you can see all the data are divided or split accordingly to the pipes inserted before them. Now since you have stayed till here, I'm going to show you a bonus tip of how to import data from Notepad, which is in text format, into Excel and delimit the same. Now here, as you can see in this notepad, I have list of famous Indian actors. I'm pretty sure no matter whichever part of the world you are, you must be aware of at least one of them. Now I'm going to import this in Excel and delimit the same. So now to import data from the notepad and delimit the same, I'm going to go to File and I'm going to search wherever my file is saved, but in this case it is right in front. I'm going to select over there and the wizard would pop up. So you want to import the data how it is, or you want to delimit. So in this case I want to delimit. So delimit next, and since we didn't had any pipes between our text, we had spaces. So I want to delimit on the basis of spaces. Remove the pipes, go finish, and you can see an Excel would pop up that includes all the numerical numbers in column A, the first name of the actors in column B, and the last name in the column C. That's exactly how I want it. So now you see how we can manipulate data and split text into columns using delimiter. This is opposite of concatenate function. If you want to check out the video of how to combine strings from different columns, different fields into one string, I'll drop its link in the description below. If you like the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down what more you would like to learn. Bye for now.